Hello everyone, and welcome to our video presentation of Global Trust One. This is just our temporary video presentation, so expect a better presentation very soon. Okay, this is the screenshot of our website. You can see here about the company, the opportunity that they are offering, the products, the latest news, and login, contact. Who is Global Trust One? Sino ba si Global Trust One? Global Trust One is founded and supervised by a group of professional traders in GTO Group, headquartered in USA and marketing office based in Dubai. Ito yung address nila sa head office sa Atlanta, USA. Okay? And yung marketing office nila sa Middle East, CNC Building, Dubai, UAE. Through e-commerce and online marketing, we provide our global clients with genuine investment and trading in the stock and index market in the recognized international stock exchange and related financial instruments since 2010. Profit sharing in our business and GTO Coin. Future Global Virtual Currency. Okay, bali ang product nila is GTO Coin. So, ang bumuo pala ng Global Trust One is yung mga professional financial traders group. Okay, experienced sila sa field of financial trading as well as stock, commodities, and forex market. Dedicated sila sa tatlong platform na yan. So, kung familiar ka sa trading, pwede kang sumali rito sa GTO kasi magkakaroon tayo ng mga trading platform. So, aside of investing plus GTO Coin, meron silang profit sharing which is 3% for 100 business days. Okay? So, sigurado na may kita yung investment mo, kikita. Okay? Meron din silang mga compensation plan. If active networker ka, mas malaki ang opportunity na nakita mo rito sa GTO. Okay, gumawa talaga sila ng negosyo na kakaiba. Biruin mo, may GTO Coin na, which is yung virtual currency. Meron ka pang profit sharing. So, wala kang kalugi-lugi. Mamaya, papaliwanag ko kung para saan yung GTO Coin na yan at kung ano yung mga profit sharing na to. Kasi, depende sa package or investment na kukunin mo, yung makukuha mong profit sharing for 100 days. We offer the opportunity to earn unlimited income. We offer passive earning known as profit sharing to our investors at 3% daily for a period of 100 business days. Okay, yan yung profit sharing for 100 business days. And they have also the GTO Coins. GTO Coins will be used as virtual money amongst members and business partner and also merchants in the near future. Pre-launch pa lang pala tong GTO, by the way guys. So, upon launching, kasama na yung mga platform na yan. Yung mga e-merchants, yung mga forex trading platform, yung T4 platform. Okay? Ito, we offer opportunity to earn extra earning from the platform such as MT4, MetaTrade 4 platform. Kung trader ka, familiar ka dyan. Bitcoin and eMall. Bitcoin, yan yung pinakasikat ngayon na virtual currency. Nasa $260 yata ang halaga ng isang coin yan ngayon. And eMall shopping for members in our business where GTO Coins will be used as virtual money amongst member and business partner merchants in the near future. Okay, our trading platform for GTO Coin will be scheduled to be completed before the end of 2015. Okay, so take the advantage na habang hindi pa naglo-launch yung mga platform na yan. Kasi pwede ka nang kumita bago pa sila mag-launch. Pag-launch ng mga platform na yan, may mapagagamitan ka na or may makagamit ka na. Dito naman tayo sa e-wallet, the understanding. Once na mag-join ka sa GTO, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong account, and then may dashboard. Makikita mo yung mga e-wallet na yan. Ngayon, ang 3 main wallet, which is yung kung saan mapupunta yung 3% na profit sharing natin, and other bonuses like sponsor bonus, binary pairing bonus, and matching bonus from binary. Okay, e-money wallet, which is 60% for direct withdrawals from GTO purposes. Points can also be transferred to own e-register wallet should it is needed for doing new members registration. So, kung may fund ka sa money wallet mo, for example, $50, pwede mo siyang i-convert to e-register wallet. Gagamitin mo yon para makapag-register ka ng new members. Mamaya explain ko yan. At every time during members do the transaction, they will be charged at 5% from the amount of transfer. So may charge or may fee. Halimbawa, $100 withdraw mo sa company, may fee siya na 5%. So magiging $95 na lang yung mawi-withdraw mo. Isa yan sa safety net ng company. Okay? Register wallet, 20% for the use of new members account registration. Regardless the total balance of your points, it can be used up to 50%, and it is allowable to transfer among members. So kung may ibang members na nangangailangan ng register wallet, pwede mo yung ibenta or basta i-transfer mo, pwede. And eCoin wallet, 20% din. Profit to be further used to redeem products, rewards, or trading in MT4 and other trading platform, but subject to minimum of $100. Ayan, yung laman niyang eCoin wallet na yan, gagamitin natin pang redeem ng products. Halimbawa, ibibili mo siya ng voucher wallet. Ayun ang gagamitin mong pang redeem sa mga redemption center or e-mall. Gagamitin mo rin siya sa trading, sa mga trading platform pagka nag-launch na yan, mga yan. Pero subject to minimum of $100. Okay. Voucher wallet, yun nga, yung pag-redeem ng mga products sa mga redemption center or e-mall na i-endorse ng company. GTO Trade Wallet, subject to terms and conditions as required before approval for self-trading. And e-activation wallet, members to purchase 50% for transact new registration sent to our Perfect Money. Okay, kung bibili ka directly sa company, ayan ang Perfect Money account number nila. Ano ba yung 50% na yan? For example, meron kang new members na mag-i-invest sa GTO. At meron kang register wallet, diba? Halimbawa, mag-i-invest siya ng $100, which is GTO 100. Kailangan, meron kang $50 sa e-register wallet and 50 e-activation wallet. So, 50-50 siya. Kung wala ka namang register wallet, e-activation wallet 100%. So 100 activation wallet yung gagamitin mo. Dito naman tayo sa profit sharing. Kung paano hinahati ang profit sharing na yan. Sa halimbawa, mag-join ka ng GTO 40, which is $40 yung capital. Ang total return yan for 100 business days is $120. So, magkano yung net profit natin? $80. $80 yung tinubo ng $40 mo. Ngayon, ang 3% ng $40 is $1.2. So, yung 1.2 na yan, hahatiin yan sa tatlo. Sa money wallet, register wallet, and coin wallet. So, yung $1.2, ang 60% niyan is 0.72. Diyan papasok sa money wallet. 20% is 0.24. And another 20% sa coin wallet is 4.24. So, total lahat niyang tatlong wallet na yan is 1.2. Kung GTO 100 naman, yung investment mo, total return in 100 business days is $300. Net profit ng investment mo is $200. Ang 3% ng $100 is $3. So, yung $3, hatiin ulit sa tatlo. 60% for money wallet is $1.8. 20% register wallet, 0.60. Coin wallet, 20%, 0.60. GTO 500. Capital, $500. Return of investment in 100 days, $1,500. Ang net profit mo is $1,000. 3% ng $500 is $15. So, divided into 3 wallet, 60% for money wallet is $9 per day. Okay? Register wallet, 20%, $3. Coin wallet, 20% is $3. GTO 1,000, capital $1,000, total return of investment in 100 business days, 3,000. Net profit, $2,000. Eto, maganda-ganda ang kitaan dito. Kasi, ang 3% ng 1,000 is $30. So, everyday sa money wallet mo, mapupunta is $18. Register wallet, $6. Coin wallet, $6. GTO 3,000. Capital, $3,000. Total return in 100 business days, 9,000. Wow. Net profit, $6,000. So, daily, meron kang $54 sa money wallet. Register wallet, $18. Coin wallet, $18. Okay. Kung kanina per day, eto na yung total ng 100 days for every wallet. Total ng money wallet for 100 days sa GTO 40 is 72. Register wallet, 24. Coin wallet, 24. Total of 100 business days yan, guys. Okay, yung kanina per day. GTO 100. Money wallet, 180 for 100 days. Register wallet, $60 for 100 days. Coin wallet, $60 for 100 days. GTO 500. $900 for 100 days. Register wallet, 300. Coin wallet, 300. GTO 1000. Money wallet, 1,800. Register wallet, 600. Coin wallet, 600. GTO 3000. Money wallet, $5,400 for 100 business days. Wow, imagine. Register wallet, 1,800. Coin wallet, 1,800. Sa mga nagtatanong kung paano kung wala kang ma-invite or wala kang ma-register na new member, anong gagawin mo sa register wallet mo? Ibenta mo sa mga active networker na gumagawa ng GTO. You can make money from that. Okay? For example, ibenta mo ng, bahala na kayo mag-usap kung magkano bebenta mo sa kanya. Basta make sure na tutubo siya para, or may kikitain siya doon sa pagbili niya ng register wallet mo. Okay? Sa GTO coin naman tayo. GTO coin is mined and generated through network marketing as it is effectively accelerate the adoption of GTO coin globally. The value of GTO coin will increase $0.10 per coin for every 0.5 million or 500,000 GTO coin created by networking in Global Trust 1 members community. So, ibig sabihin, sa every 500,000 na GTO coin na mabenta ni GTO sa mga members niya, mag-i-increase ang price ng GTO coin ng $0.10. Okay? So, every 500,000, 0.10 ng 0.10 ang itataas ng value ng GTO coin natin. So, habang maaga talaga, maganda makapag-ipon tayo ng GTO coin. Imagine kung umabot ng kahit $1 lang per GTO coin. Eh kung meron kang 1,000 GTO coin, magkano ang tinubo ng investment mo sa coin na yan kung binili mo lang siya ng 0.10 isa. Okay? 0.10 kasi ang launching price ng GTO coin per coin. Tapos, ang target nila is up to 2 billion coins only. Okay? If ma-achieve nila yan, the coin price will be as high as $200. Wow, $200 per coin. Konti na lang, maaabot nyo na yung Bitcoin. Actually, yung price ng Bitcoin na yun ng 260, mababa na yan. Kasi dati, umabot siya ng 800 plus yata. Noong 2013, 825 something per coin ng Bitcoin. Ina-expect nila na mag-i-increase ng $1 per coin within the first 3 years from April 2015 if the sales achieves 10 million coins. Kasi etong April lang yan nag-start ng mga member registration si GTO or Global Trust 1. So, pre-launch to. Kaya habang maaga kang nag-member, medyo maganda-ganda na ang kalalagyan mo kapag launching na ng mga platform ni GTO. Okay? Besides sa mga profit sharing sa kayong mga GTO coin profit, nag-o-offer din si Global Trust 1 ng active network plan. Okay, kung active networker ka, beside gaining profit sharing ROI incentive, those members who are simultaneously act as an active networker are entitled for all types of bonuses such as direct referral, binary pairing bonus, matching from binary pairing. Ngayon, kung active networker ka and masipag kang mag-invite or manghikayat ng tao, ito ang benefits na makukuha mo. Okay. Percentage of direct referral are based on your new clients or investors amount of enrollment. So, your payment of direct referral will be paid after 12 midnight based on Hong Kong time. So, halimbawa, may napasali ka, GTO 40 or $40 yung investment niya. Magkakaroon ka ron or makakakuha ka ng 8% sa $40. Kung GTO 100 naman, 10%. Sa GTO 40 pala, for example, ang account mo is GTO 40, okay? Makukuha mo, depende sa kunin ng new members na investment. For example, mag-invest siya ng $100. Tapos ikaw, yung account mo is GTO 40. 8% ang makukuha mo. Kung GTO 100 ka, 10%. Kung GTO 500, 12%. GTO 1000, 14%. GTO 3000, 16%. So, depende sa package na kinuha mo kung magkano ang percentage ng direct referral na makukuha mo. Okay? Bonus from binary. Okay, 10% din yan. Kung ang account mo is GTO 40, ang maximum daily potential per day from binary pairing bonus will follow accordingly to our last package upgrade enrollment. For example, GTO 40 ka, nag-upgrade ka ng GTO 100. Okay, ang magiging maximum daily potential mo is $100. Yan ang pwede mong kitain sa binary pairing per day, maximum. Kung GTO 40, $60. Kung GTO 500, $500 per day ang potential na pwede mong kitain. GTO 1000, $1,000. GTO 3000, $3,000 per day kung nakabuo ka na ng team mo. Okay? Okay, paano ba yung binary pairing? Halimbawa, eto ikaw. Okay? Ito ikaw. May sumali sa'yo or may na-invite ka. Halimbawa, na-invite mo si Peter. Nag-invest si Peter ng GTO 500 or $500. Magkakaroon ka ng 10% direct referral bonus. So, magkano yun? $50 yun. Ngayon, may napasali ka na naman. Si Juan. Okay, si Juan. Ang kinuha naman ni Juan na GTO package is GTO 100. Magkakakuha ka na naman ng direct referral bonus of 10% kay Juan. So, $10 yun. Magkano nang kinita mo sa direct referral bonus mo? $60 na. Ngayon, ang pairing is depende sa sales. Okay? Weaker leg will match the stronger leg. So, etong si Peter, which is GTO 500, siya yung stronger leg kasi siya yung mataas na sales. Sa right, si Juan, siya yung weaker leg. So, ang paparisan ni Juan is yung $100 dun sa $500 ni Peter. So, magkakaroon ka ng 10% sa binary pairing dun sa $100 na yon. Magkano na naman yon? Di $10 na naman yon. So, dahil sa naparisan na ng GTO 100 ni Juan, yung 100 dun sa GTO 500 ni Peter, may matitira pa na $400 na sales sa left leg mo. Okay? Ngayon, si Juan, may na-invite siya or may napasali siya sa GTO. Si Binoy. Eto si Binoy. Ang kinuha ni Binoy is GTO 100 din. O, edi may panibagong sales ka na naman sa right leg. Etong GTO 100 na to, paparisan niya uli yung 100 dito sa 400. makakakuha ka na naman ng 10% sa binary pairing, which is $10 na naman. Okay, may $10 ka na naman sa naparisa ng weaker leg mo na $100 dun sa stronger leg, which is may sales na $400. So 400 minus 100, which is yung pairing mo nga kay Binoy, equals 300. May 300 na sales ka pa natitira sa left leg mo na nag-iintay maparisan. So meron na namang na-invite si Juan, si Mulong. Kinuha ni Mulong GTO 100 ulit. Okay? So may panibagong sales na naman na pumasok sa right leg mo. Paparisan niya na naman yung $100 dito sa $300. So 300 minus 100, 200. At makakuha ka na naman ng 10% dun sa pairing na yon, which is $10 ulit. So hindi ito paramihan ng tao, depende sa sales to. Okay? Hindi porke isa lang yung tao mo sa left leg or dalawa, kailangan dalawa rin ang tao mo sa right leg. Or basta ang importante rito yung sales sa left at yung sales sa right. Okay? Weaker leg will match the stronger leg. Okay, so that's it. This is the end of our video presentation, and thank you for watching. And if you have any question, we have our Facebook page and group page. Just search for Global Trust 1 or GTO Team Philippines. Okay, thank you very much.